Hey there, fellow freelancers. Today we've got an absolute gem for you, a game changer in your Upwork journey. We're diving into the mystical world of pricing strategies on Upwork. And trust me, this is a game changer. And it seems at least 50% of them leave once you give them your quote. Here are a few tricks in getting the client to say yes when closing a deal. Tip 1, price range freedom. All right, folks, let's kick things off with a ninja move. We're setting your rates on Upwork. Here's the deal. Offer a range. Why, you ask? Well, this gives you the ultimate freedom to adjust your price according to the complexity of the job. Every project has its hidden requirements. Setting a price range keeps the client nearby while you gain more understanding about the task at hand. Tip 2, price matching magic. Now here's a golden tip if you really want that gig. Let's be bold. Tell your potential client that you are willing to match the competitor's price. This move will help you gain more footage in the bidding war. In the end, if your competitor price was ridiculously low, then there's no law that you can't bow out. You gave it your best shot. Tip 3, patience, Grasshopper. Remember, Rome was not built in a day, and neither is the perfect quote. It takes time, my friend. Experiment, tweak, and fine-tune your rates until you hit the sweet spot. Freelancing is an art, and finding the master price takes time. Tip 4, before you quote, create a free mini demo. This is ingenious. Seeing is believing. Creating a demo allows your potential client to get to know you while you gain better understanding about the project. In the end, you both have more clarity and leverage on how to price. Tip 5, buy on your competition. Ever heard of the phrase, keep your friends close and your competitors closer? Well, it applies here too. Start by snooping around. See what other freelancers are charging for similar jobs. You don't have to reinvent the pricing wheel, especially when you're just starting out. Finally, the last tip, cover your bases. Last but not least, make sure your pricing strategy covers all your expenses. We're talking about bills and coffee funds and healthy chunks of profit to put in your back pocket. After all, we're here to thrive and not survive. And there you have it, freelancers, the secret sauce to setting your pricing strategies on Upwork. Remember, it's all about the price range, keeping an eye on the competition, the art of price matching, patience, markups, and making sure your price covers it all. And now armed with some powerful pricing ninja skills, go out there and conquer the freelancing world. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and you'll never miss out on valuable tips. Until next time, be freelantastic.